Need help with affiliate marketing? These tips can help. You can find a lot of products online, from HD TVs to ebooks on Spanish recipes and everything in between. Marketing these products to people from the companies that make them is a great way to earn a good living. Being an affiliate marketer is a popular career in high demand, and we will discuss some ways you can market products in this video. Properly use the meta tag. This description will show up on search engines and anywhere there's a description of your website, so make sure to be as succinct and professional as you can. Emphasize the best parts of your product or service so a person will be intrigued and click through to your site. Success in affiliate marketing will never be achieved by putting a million banners up all on one site. Choose your banners carefully and keep your site clutter-free. Too many banners can make your site feel overwhelming to a user, making them less likely to click on any banners or become repeat visitors. Do not forget that affiliate marketing expands further than the internet. You do not have to convert someone online. You may find a product that allows you to pitch by phone or by snail mail. This is a great way to increase your profits and profile as an affiliate. Just be sure that you're ready to handle the work. If you can afford it, send out free samples of your product. You can have people fill out a form to get samples, or enter a drawing game if you have limited samples. For each purchase, you can also send a free sample of another product. This should convince people faster than if they read your review. If you really want to drive home the benefits of a product you're trying to push through affiliate marketing, then you should use bullet points and subheadings to create different categories and to allow each benefit to stand out on its own. This way, readers can comprehend how this product will help them. With the vast array of products to choose from online, it's easy to get your foot in the marketing door, but stepping all the way through is another matter entirely. In this video, you learned some ways in which to take your marketing efforts to the next level. Don't forget to use these tips on your path to success and to always work to improve your web presence. Student loan.